Poppin', brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just my body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
See the accident? Oh my goodness, did you see the accident? Look at that. Look at that, look at that. He ran on red light. This guy ran a red light. Sheesh. This guy ran a red light. Yo, he ran a red light. I have a video. This guy, the car, the wrong way too, and red light. I have it on video. Do you see that accident? Unbelievable.
The episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No, probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. And I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room with the cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava. I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat. I know.
Please?
And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomach ache. Because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 because they're just so good.
Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny.
I know.
And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache.
I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ronnie spy on the group.
Dwight's like, they should not be in there.
16 years to find you. 1 second to love you. Don't trust.